at the show right now. We got one of our students who trained with us about 10 months ago, Kolby Kennedy. Tell me what's going on, dude. How's business been for you since you got back?
Man, it's been great. You know, y'all really got me started right, and I appreciate everything y'all did for me. You know, still learning.
Yeah.
Everything I need and don't need, and to be efficient, and still pushing. So
you had an opportunity. You came out to California. You were there with me for a couple of weeks. Then you went over to Chase, South Carolina. You know, and you learned a couple of different things. You did PDR. You painted. You did the coatings class. I mean, what else did you do? You did a lot of stuff.
Interior, I did the full program.
Yeah.
So yeah, you know, the windshield repair. The biggest thing though is the bumper repair and dent repair.
Is that what's keeping you the most busy right now?
Yeah.
And what are you doing as far as you know, are you wholesale, retail? What you know?
I'm doing a lot of wholesale in my ceramic coats, of course, retail stuff. You know, I enjoy that, but it's more time consuming.
Yeah.
But yeah, so a lot of wholesale. I'm doing 2 dealerships right now, and I got some more lined up if I can get to them.
Good, man. Any plans for writing on any of this stuff, or a big shop in the works or anything like that?
We're working on the shop right now.
Nice.
So
just to get us out there for the open house.
That's right.
Dude, good seeing you, man. Thanks for stopping by.